Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I'll be sharing with you how I clean my jewelries at home, or how to make it look like a new one. So if you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. So these are the things that we're going to use to clean our jewelries at home. The toothpaste or any kind of toothpaste that we have will do. A toothbrush, a tissue, a plastic container with water, and of course the jewelry. So we're ready. This is the necklace. So perfect. So that's how I clean my jewelries. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like it. And if you do not yet subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update videos from me. And once again, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!